Hi guys, got a 9.8 Tohatsu 2-stroke twin cylinder, nice light engine. Customers brought it in saying it's got running issues, starting issues, just generally running a bit poor to be fair. So I've tried to get it started. I've got it started, it does run really poor and then cuts out. So first point of call is carburetor. That's the fuel that's in there, which but the main cause of it, I don't know if you can see in the dimple in the bottom, there's a darker mass moving there, look, moving as I tip the float bowl. You can see the dark mass moving slower than the fuel. That's water. So the chap's got water in his fuel, unfortunately. So it's going to be stripped down, carburetor, fuel system, fuel pump, all the fuel lines, and Mr. Fuel tank sat on the floor there. That's going to need to be cleaned out and dried out. The fuel primer bulb will need to be taken apart and dried out because you don't know where the water's accumulated. So it's best to just basically start afresh, make sure there's no water in there, and then it's game on. I'll get on with service here then as well. Alright guys, catch you later, bye. Hi guys, okay, remember that Tohatsu 9.8 with the water in the fuel and the carburetor? So stripped the tank down, the fuel line, the carb, the fuel pump, so on and so on. Cleaned all that out, got all the water out of it. Serviced it as well for the company, and been running it for a bit. Nice. This is exactly what it should. I've had it running for about half an hour, 45 minutes. Started up fine, running fine. Just need to get in touch with the company and let them know that their engine's ready so it can go back to work. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Oh, sorry to show you, nice strong tail turn, I've got to show you that bit. Anyway, take care and I'll be in touch soon. Bye.